Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be making some copycat Olive Garden, the zuppa toscana soup. I'm gonna be making that. My nose is really fat.
Are they gonna tell me my name?
They know your name. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I look fat. Don't I look fat?
No, you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. But yeah. Let me get off this camera though. My nose is fat and wide.
No.
Stomach is fat and wide.
Like me.
Okay, let's cook this.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever.
Okay, so I just browned the Italian sausage. I drained it, it's sitting to the side. I left some of the grease in here. Now I'm about to cut this onion and cook it in this grease. So now I'm sauteing my onions. I'm gonna put some garlic in there and I'll be back after I do all of that. Then I'm going to take some red potatoes. I'm going to chop that up. And put that into the pot with the onions. Add any seasonings of your choice. And then go ahead and add some chicken broth. Then I add back my Italian sausage and I get everything mixed together into the pot. Get it all in that broth. I added some water. Because I didn't have enough broth. So you can add water and then add bouillon cubes to it and it'll be just as good. So let that cook on the pot. You want to cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. Then you want to add your kale. I went ahead and added some more seasonings. And then at the end, you want to go ahead and add some heavy whipping cream. And that is it, you guys. Really good, really easy, and it tastes just like Olive Garden.